It's a very Chapter 2 JAWS Commands. The basic functions of an operating system are as follows. It provides a very simple interface. It controls and coordinates the execution of programs, and it manages resources like CPU time, memory, input-output, etc. This is how we define the functions of the operating system: file management, working with the files, and configuration. The command prompt. Any line in JAWS is a command prompt. The actual character that symbolizes the prompt is the greater than symbol. This line prompt is the main way users know where they are in JAWS. Here is how the C: tells the user that he/she is working within C drive. C is usually reserved for the internal hard disk of a PC. The backslash represents a level in the hierarchy of the file structure. There is always at least one because it represents the root directory, the very first level of your hard disk. Directory. If you need to know where you are, use dir command. It is short for directory, to take a look at the files and directories available. The directory command is like a table of contents in a book. This directory will list the following information: file names, file extensions, size of the file, and date and time the file was last updated.
Make directory. Now, let's make a couple of directories so that we can put our files away in a place that makes sense to us. The command for making a directory is md, that is for make directory, and is followed by name of the directory you wish to make. C: sign of backslash greater than md samples. To make directory samples, C: backslash greater than dir.
Remove directory. This command will remove a directory from a disk. You can use it to get rid of unwanted directories that have been created and do not have a use anymore. Type rd followed by the directory you want to remove. You cannot remove directories that have files or other directories in them. You must first delete all the files in that directory and remove all the subdirectories. Delete and undelete. There is a slight problem now. The first .txt file was copied into the test directory, but there is no reason to have two copies of first.txt. To delete a file, use the del command from delete, followed by the name of the file. Del first.txt. Again, you can delete the file from any directory by including the full path name. Del c/first.txt. If you accidentally delete something, there is a possibility of retrieving it using the undelete command. This, however, will only work for the files just deleted. Undelete. A list of any files that can be undeleted with a pair. You will need to replace the first character of the file because DOS removes the first letter of a deleted file. That's how it keeps track of what can be written over.
Rename. Like the above commands, you need not be in the same directory as the file you wish to rename, provided you include the path name of the file you wish to change. But the second argument of this command, the new file name, will not accept a path name designation. In other words, the second argument should just be a file name with no path name. C: \\, sign of greater than, ren \samples \test \first.txt new.txt. Some more useful commands. Parent directory in brackets. If you wish to move up one level in the hierarchy of the file structure, change to the parent directory. There is a shortcut: 2 consecutive periods in inverted commas. C:\samples \test greater than CD F3. The F3 function key can be a time saver if you are prone to typos. Pressing the F3 button will retype the last command for you. Breaking. Sometimes you may start a procedure such as long directory listing and wish to stop before it is complicated. The break command often works when running batch files and other executable files. To stop a procedure, press Ctrl with break. Control is located in the lower right-hand corner of the keyboard, and break is located in the upper right-hand corner of the keyboard and is also labeled pause. Wildcards, asterisk and question mark. Another benefit of the command prompt interface is the ability to use wildcards. If you want, for example, to copy only files with the .txt extension, you employ a wildcard. C:\copy *.txt *backup\txt files. This command would copy all of the files with the .txt extension onto floppy disk inside the txt files directory, which is inside the backup directory. Printing. If you want to send a text file to the printer, there is the print command, but there are 2 steps. C:\samples \test greater than print first.txt. Name of list device PRN in square brackets :LPT1. If you wish to print to a networked printer, usually LPT2 is the correct response. For local printers, the correct response is usually LPT1. CLS. This command does nothing more than clear your screen and display a DOS prompt at the top. Just type CLS and hit enter. For example, C#\CLS. Exit. This command will exit the DOS command interpreter and re-enter Windows. If you have booted the computer in DOS mode, then the exit command has no effect. For example, C:\exit.